Hello, everyone, and welcome to our website called the Big Planetarium. This website was designed to develop as part of my web development assessment. The purpose of this website is to educate users about different planets in the Milky Way galaxy while creating an interactive and visually engaging experience. The target audience for this website includes students, teachers, science enthusiasts, and general users interested in learning more about astronomy and space exploration. My aim was to combine educational content with modern web development techniques to create a website that is both informative and visually appealing. When users first enter the homepage, they are introduced to a large hero section with a futuristic space theme. I added a space-styled background along with a floating astronaut image to immediately create an immersive atmosphere. The astronaut image moves smoothly using CSS animations created with keyframes and transform properties. I use this animation to make the website feel more dynamic rather than static. The homepage also contains a responsive hamburger menu located at the top left. This was created using HTML, CS, and CSS, whilst JavaScript in the background. I use an event listener so when the user clicks the hamburger icon, the navigation menu appears as a drop-down on the top left side of the screen. The menu contains links to all of the planet pages, including Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and even a NASA page. This improves navigation and helps users quickly move around the website. In the middle of the header section, I added a functional search bar. The search bar was programmed using JavaScript and allows users to type the name of the planets such as Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and is fully functional and takes you to a new page. Below the home section, I added a media containing MP4 video related to space. This was implemented using the HTML video tag with autoplay, mute, loop, and controls. The video helps satisfy the rich media requirement from the assignment brief, while also making the website feel more engaging for the user. The homepage also contains 4 rotating planets, which is down below. Each planet card contains the name of the planet and Explore button. The planet rotates continuously using CSS keyframes animations. I use transform rotate combined with linear infinite timing to create a smooth spinning effect. I intentionally kept the homepage cleaner by only displaying the names of Explore buttons while placing the detailed information inside the individual pages. Each planet contains detailed educational information about selected planet. This includes approximately 250 words of description, along with bullet points explaining key facts of the atmosphere, also the distance from the Earth. I use cinematic HTML such as headings, paragraphs, and unordered lists to structure the content clearly and improve accessibility. To keep the design consistent, each page also contains a large rotating background planet related to the specific page. This effect was created using CSS animation and Opti styling to prevent the background image from overpowering the text. CSS played a major role in overall design of the website. I use CSS for layouts, colors, animations, responsive design, hover effects, spacing, and typology. I use Flexbox and CSS Grid to organize the layout and ensure the website works correctly across mobile phones, tablets, and desktop screens. I also added media queries to the layout automatically adjusting depending on the screen size. The main color palette used throughout the project was black because the colors matched the futuristic space theme appearance I wanted to achieve. Accessibility was also considered during development. I included alt text on all images to support screen readers and improve accessibility standards. I also used large, readable fonts and strong color contrast to make the website easier to read for users. One of the biggest challenges during the development was ensuring that all animations and interactive features worked correctly together without affecting the layout. I had to test the adjust and the positioning of the astronaut image, also the hamburger, the navigation system several times to ensure they work. I also debugged JavaScript search functionality to make sure users were redirected correctly when searching for planets. Overall, I believe this project successfully meets the requirements from this assessment brief because it includes HTML, JavaScript, CSS styling, responsive design, animations, media content, accessibility features, and multiple pages. The final result is an educational and visually engaging space website that demonstrates both creativity and technically web development skills. If I were to improve the project further in the future, I would potentially add more planets, sound effects, NASA Live API integration, and more advanced JavaScript animations. Thank you for listening to my technical breakdown of Big Planetarium.